Hi, this is Keith All, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about another free tool and how you can create a free email signature using this particular tool. And this is part one in a series. So first go to mail-signatures.com. So it's basically this website, so mail-signatures.com. Your first step is to come up here and click on Signature Generator or down here. Either way will take you to the same spot. And what's nice about this free email signature generator is you don't need to create an account first. So that would be a benefit. So over here in the top left are your various email providers. Now I'm just going to use Gmail to show you how this all works. So choose the platform that works for you. On the left here, you fill in your data, your information, all this. So I'm just going to leave it as is. Okay, so you can see what's going on here. So as you change what's over here, it'll be reflected on the right hand side. As you can see, it's already changing. So if you come down here, click on company data again, fill in your website address, fill in your street address. If you don't want it, just keep it blank, and I'll remove that field over here on the right hand side. Graphics, again, one thing you'll need for this is you'll have to upload your images to another site. So you'll have to figure that out on your own. That'll be that where you can host your images for free. And then if you want, so in other words, if I have an image here and if you want it to link, so in other words, if you want this to be linked to this particular site that you put over here, logo linking to, then that's what you can do. If you don't want the image to be linked anywhere, then just leave this blank. The same thing with the banner. The banner is this right here. So let's just delete this. That'll delete that, and of course delete the linking to that banner. Disclaimer text, if you want that here, you can have that. Otherwise, over here on the left, just click in this area and type what you want or delete it. Your style here is going to be referring to the color of your text right here. So you can play around with your changing of the colors and everything like that. Social media links, again, you could fill all these in with your URL to your social media sites. And of course, if you don't want to use any one of them, just go ahead and delete it and leave it blank. For right now, the options are Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Pinterest, and Instagram. And now, over here on the right, you could choose from many different templates. If you just scroll over, and you can see how everything changes for you, okay, as you click on each template. So if you don't have a logo that fits this particular size, it will tell you, and then you'll have to create a new logo or a new image that follows this size right here. So let's just go with let's go with this signature right here. Once you have all that set up, all you need to do is apply your signature, bottom left here. And then since it's already selected up here for Gmail, it gives you exact instructions on how you could bring it into your email platform. So your first step is to copy the signature, okay? And then since I already use Gmail, I already know how to do this, but these are the steps that you would need to take. So go over to your Gmail account, click on this gear icon in the upper right, and then click settings. And then since I'm already here, it brought me here. If you scroll down until you see the signature section right here. And now you could have multiple different signature types here. So let's create a new one. I already have one here. Let's create a new one. And you can name it. I'm just giving it testing to create. And then this is the area where you paste in your signature. So click Control V to paste it in here. You can make adjustments here to the text by bolding it, italicizing it, highlighting whatever you need to do to create this. And then right here, it says for new emails use. So I'm going to select testing 2. And if you want, let's say when you reply to an email in Gmail, do you want a signature attached to that reply or not? So that's your option. I'm going to select yes down here. And then down here, it says insert signature before quoted text and replies, and then remove the dotted line. So whether or not you want to include the signature before the quoted text in a reply, you can check mark this. And then all you have to do is come down here, click save, and that's it. Now let's test this out. Let's test this out. So I'm gonna do compose. Let's type in the what you do is just type it in. See, type in your to address, your subject, and then click send. And as you can see, the email signature is already inserted into the body of your text. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this out. Okay, I already sent the email, so let's open it up. And there you have it. And that's how you create an email signature using this free tool called mail-signatures.com. Hopefully this gave you an idea on how you could create and be creative with your email signatures. Remember to subscribe to my channel and click on that bell notification so you are always updated with any new videos that I upload. And also, please like, share, and comment. I appreciate your support, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.